Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about data structures of Python and what are the uses of NumPy and Pandas in reading a raw data. Before using Pandas, Python felt very difficult to read some of the CSV files. So now we are going to see what is Panda. It is an important library used for data handling, cleaning and analyzing the data. It uses series and data frames. This is important for reading the data in rows and columns. CSV files, Excel files and database can be read by Pandas easily. It is used for fast calculations, readables and easy to use. We use Pandas often in AI and DS. First we see why it is. Because we will be having raw data and the raw data should be cleaned before we training it into an AI machine. So we are using it for cleaning, explorations and data manipulations, time series handling, like we can install the time series into raw data. For example, resample function is used. It can be easily integrated with other ML libraries and industry standards tools like Git, GitHub, Docker and Airflow, AWS, Azure, TensorFlow. These are the tools commonly uses Pandas. Now let us see what is a list. List is nothing but a ordered mutable, that meaning is changeable collections. The key operations are we can create a list. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and we can add that by using append or insert function. We can remove some values like pop remove and we can slice the thing like a 1:3, whichever value you need you can use by using slicing. Then we can loop for condition if condition. Now let's see a scenario based example where a teacher want to store a mark of the students using Python. So we are taking the marks and marks append, that is inserting 95 into the list and top 2 rank will be given. Now next thing is tuples and sets. Tuples are nothing but it is a immutable list, like location, values, time, date, that are fixed data. It cannot be changed, that is used in tuples. And sets are nothing but unordered unique items, same items but it is unordered. For example, numbers, set of numbers. We can delete duplicate phone numbers from list. These are the scenario examples of tuples and sets. Next, dictionaries is nothing but it is a stored value. For example, in a student file there will be name, age, department. These are the dictionaries. So next thing is for making calculations in Python we are using NumPy, which is like a calculator. It can be used for fast numeric computation, arrays and vectorizations, linear algebra. For making all such type of numerical activities, we use NumPy. Now you are clear about Panda and NumPy. Now we are creating an array. First, import NumPy as NP. First thing is we are creating an array. Next we are making a 0. Then ones 3, 3 and d is equal to np dot arrange 0, 10, 2. By this we can create an array. Next, array operations. Element wise only there will be array operations holding on. For example, a is equal to np dot array 10, 20, 30. Here after inserting the array we can do an operation like b is equal to a star 2. Star is nothing but each value will be multiplied by 2, so the result is given here. We can reshape the array by using reshape function call. For example, m is equal to np dot arrange 6 dot reshape 2, 3. Here the array will be replaced into 2, 6, 2, 3 rows and columns. Next thing is linear algebra. Linear algebra can be done using linalg. Okay, for this we are calling two integers a and b. Here we are creating two arrays a and b and I am calling it by using a dot, that is multiplication of both a and b. Next, for linear algebra we are using, for getting deterministic of the matrix value a, I use the np dot linear algebra dot deterministic. Same for inversion matrix also. This is a company scenario where we need to calculate the sales value. For this we created region array and increased the percentage. We have both regions and increased percentage. We need to multiply both the values. After multiplication, we will get the final answer. This is the scenario based question for linear algebraic calculations. Next, we are going to see about series. Series are nothing but one dimensional labeled array. Here we are importing pandas as PD. By using PD, we can calculate series data frames in which all the data types like tuples, libraries, everything is called using the data frame. Next, reading data. The important one for calling pandas is reading the CSV file, Excel file, etc. Here we used a data frame is equal to panda.read CSV, and same for Excel. df Excel is equal to pd.read underscore Excel. By using this, we can read the data sets from CSV file and Excel file. Next, selection. In selecting data also, by calling the data frame function, we can select all the data like tuples, dictionaries, and other data types. Now if we need some filtering of data conditions, that also can be done using the conditions. Next, updating is adding. Addition is done using a plus b, like that, giving grade. Handling missing data also be done by calling fill null, drop null. That is if there is a missing data, we can find the mean and we can update it in the data sets. Next, merging or joining. We can merge two or other data into a single data. Grouping and aggregation. We can group condition. We can give a condition and we can group according to that. Pivot table. We can create a pivot and we can set some conditions and we can get the aggregate mark, like that. For time series handling, we can insert the date and time for a particular data. Here are some of the scenario based example. By seeing this, you can understand what are the things I said before. That is, in the data set, we are creating a data frame, that is name, mark, and department. Now finding student with mark greater than 70 and average mark of AIDS department, and result column pass or fail. That can be obtained by using the df data frame functions, group by function, and the result is saved in the data set, like by using lambda x pass if x greater than or equal to 50, else the result is fail. By using these data frames, this result can be done very easily. So by seeing a scenario based, you can understand what are the things going under Python by using pandas and data frames. Okay, next. Here is another scenario for your understanding. That is, in a data set, we need to replace the missing values and convert a date column for a thing, that is a row, and we need to calculate the monthly revenue. Nothing but in sales we need at last average. Okay, so first of all, the sales should not have any missing values. For this, we are using fill na and finding the mean and filling the missing value. Next thing is convert date column. Date of the month is necessary for each data. So we are giving is monthly is equal to df dot resample. M here is representing monthly average, and revenue and the sum is calculated there. Next scenario is employee data set. Here there are two datas, that is HR data and employee data, salary data. Okay, we need to merge this both data set and we need to get the top 3 highest paid employees. For this, the conditions we used is merged is equal to pd.merge. HRDF is HR column and salary is salary column, and we save it in employee ID. Okay, and what is the second condition? Top 3 highest paid employees we should find. For that, the program is merged dot sort values salary. Ascending is equal to false. Head 3, top 3 highest paid employees, we need employee id. Okay, by doing this we can merge two data sets. I hope you all understand the basic data structure of Python and how is NumPy and Pandas used. If you feel any queries, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. In next class we will be seeing about matplotlib and cbond. Thank you.